Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming the amp and sub match electrically. Do not guess. Locate a clean 12V constant source near the battery and plan a short, direct ground to chassis. Use 4 AWG for high-power systems. Once done, route the fused 12V power wire through the firewall, keeping it away from signal RCA lines to prevent noise. Make sure to leave the battery disconnected while making these first connections. Safety and a clean start matter. Now you handle signal and speaker wiring with care. Plug a shielded RCA from the head unit sub-out into the amp. Once connected, set the amp gain to its lowest position so you can tune later. Run the speaker wire from amp outputs to the JL Audio Subs terminals, matching polarity, positive to positive, negative to negative, so the cone moves in sync. If you must bridge channels, make sure the resulting impedance is safe for the amp. Otherwise, wire a stereo. Finally, reconnect the battery and verify the inline fuse is installed. Turn the head unit on so the amp remote activates. Raise the amp gain slowly while playing test tones and familiar tracks. Set the low-pass filter around the recommended cutoff for your sub and blend level for balanced bass. If you hear hum, no output, or clipping, check RCA routing away from power. Ensure the ground is solid with under-rail paint removed, and measure 12V and remote voltage at the amp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.